Hello, in this video I want to show you how to mute ringtones on Redmi A1. And to do this you can either click on a volume button to show this toolbar with the sounds, so click on it and right here select the ring button and click on the ring button with a line crossing it. And another way to do it is to click on the sound button again, click on the three dots, here navigate to ring and notification volume, and you can increase it. There's also call volume here if you want. And another way to do it again is to go to the settings, here navigate to the sound and find the ring and notification volume, and here you can adjust it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.